Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to do a slow zoom in CapCut. So first of all, launch the CapCut app on your mobile device. From the home page, tap on the New Project button and select the video or photo you want to edit. After selecting a photo, tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Now, your photo or video will be imported in the timeline. Tap on the video or photo layer and then go to the bottom menu and tap on Animations. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the Zoom In feature. Simply tap on it and you will then be able to apply the zoom in effect. Set the duration from the bottom of the screen by dragging the little bar. Set the duration to be longer for a slow zoom effect. The longer the duration, the slower the zoom. Now tap the tick mark and then tap the play button to preview the zoom effect on your photo or video. Once satisfied, tap the export button at the top right corner, choose your resolution and frame rate, and then export your video on your device's gallery. Now you know how to make a slow zoom effect in CapCut to add drama or focus to your videos or photos. Just make sure that you are a pro subscriber on CapCut to use the slow zoom effect for now. Having said that, I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.